A Jyotirlinga or Jyotirlingam is a devotional representation of the supreme god Shiva. Jyoti means radiance and Lingam the image or sign of Shiva. Jyotirlingam thus means the radiant sign of the Almighty Shiva. There are 12 traditional Jyotirlinga shrines in India. The Jyotirlinga is the supreme Shiva, partless reality, out of which Shiva appeared in another form, Lingodbhava. The Jyotirlinga shrines are temples where Shiva appeared as a fiery column of light. Originally, there were believed to be 64 Jyotirlingas, while 12 of them are considered to be very auspicious and holy. Each of the 12 Jyotirlinga sites take the name of the presiding deity, each considered a different manifestation of Shiva. At all these sites, the primary image is Lingam, representing the beginningless and endless Stambha pillar, symbolizing the infinite nature of Shiva. Saurashtre Somanatham cha Sri Shaile Mallikarjunam Ujjainyam Mahakalam Omkaram Amaleshwaram Paralyam Vaidyanatham cha Dakinyam Bhimashankaram Sedu Bandedu Ramesham Nagesham Darugavane Varanasyam tu Vishwesham Trayambagam Gautami Tate Himaledu Kedaram Gusranesham Shivale. The names and the locations of 12 other Jyotirlingas are mentioned in the Shiva Purana. These shrines are: Somnath is traditionally considered the first pilgrimage site. The Dwadasha Jyotirlinga pilgrimage begins with the Somnath temple. The temple that was destroyed and rebuilt 16 times is held in reverence throughout India and is rich in legend, tradition and history. It is located at Prabhas Patan, Somnath Veraval in Saurashtra region in Gujarat. Mallikarjuna, also called Sri Shaila, is located on a mountain in Kurnool district. It enshrines Mallikarjuna in an ancient temple that is architecturally and sculpturally rich. It is a place where Shakti Pida and Jyotirlingam are together. Adi Shankara composed his Shivananda Lahari here. Mahakal, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh is home to the Mahakaleshwara Jyotirlinga temple. The lingam at Mahakal is believed to be Swayambhu, the only one of the 12 Jyotirlingams to be so. It is also the only one facing south and also the temple to have a Sri Rudra Yantra perched upside down at the ceiling of the Garbhagriha. It is a place where Shakti Pida and Jyotirlingam are together. Omkareshwar is in Madhya Pradesh on an island in the Narmada river and home to a Jyotirlinga shrine and the Mamaleshwar temple. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand is revered as the northernmost and the closest Jyotirlinga to Lord Shiva's eternal abode of Mount Kailash. Kedarnath forms a part of the smaller Char Dham pilgrimage circuit of Hinduism. Kedarnath, nestled in the snow-clad Himalayas, is an ancient shrine rich in legend and tradition. It is accessible only for 6 months a year. Shiva assumed the form of wild boar and dived into the earth at Kedarnath to emerge at Pashupatinath. Pure ghee is applied at Kedarnath Lingam as the boar was injured. Bhimashankar temple is a Jyotirlinga shrine located northwest of Khed near Pune. Bhimashankar is also the source of the river Bhima, which flows southeast and merges with the Krishna river near Raichur. The Bhimashankar temple is a composite of old and new structures in the Nagara style of architecture. It shows the excellency of the skills achieved by ancient Vishwakarma sculptures. The Kashi Vishwanath temple in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh is home to the Vishwanath Jyotirlinga shrine, which is perhaps the most sacred of Hindu shrines. The temple is situated in Varanasi, the holiest city for Hindus, where a Hindu is expected to make a pilgrimage at least once in his life and, if possible, also pour the remains of cremated ancestors on the river Ganges. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganges and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. In fact, it is a place where Shakti Pida and Jyotirlingam are together. It is the holiest of all Shiva temples. The main deity is known by the name Vishwanath or Vishweshwara, meaning ruler of the universe. The temple town is considered the oldest living city in the world with 3,500 years of documented history. Is also called Kashi. The Triambakeshwar temple near Nasik in Maharashtra is a Jyotirlinga shrine associated with the origin of the Godavari river. Nageshwara Jyotirlinga is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines mentioned in the Shiva Purana, and the Dwadasha Jyotirlinga Stotram says one of the Jyotirlinga, namely Nagesh, is situated in Darugavana and most probably the present-day Dwaraka region. Vaidyanath Jyotirlinga temple, also known as Baba Vaidyanath Dham, and Vaidyanath Dham is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the most sacred abodes of Shiva. It is a temple complex consisting of the main temple of Baba Vaidyanath, where the Jyotirlinga is installed, and 21 other temples. According to Hindu beliefs, the demon king Ravana worshipped Shiva at the current site of the temple to get the boons that he later used to wreak havoc in the world. Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu is home to the vast Ramalingeshwarar Jyotirlinga temple and is revered as the southernmost of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of India. It enshrines Rameshwara pillar, Lord of Rama. Krishneshwar temple, sometimes referred to as Dushmeshwar temple, is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines mentioned in the Shiva Purana.